Hi there, in this video we're going to have a look at the LinkedIn company and profile extractor by scrapingsolutions.com.au. The purpose of this software is to scrape and extract LinkedIn companies and profile information for certain search criteria. The program uses the LinkedIn API, so is 100% legal and not violating any terms and conditions of LinkedIn. We're also a LinkedIn developer network partner, so if you have any need to get data from LinkedIn quicker, feel free to contact us. We'd be more than happy to help. We can also customize the software to your needs. Okay, so let's take a look at the program. First of all, click on the Edit Search List button at the top. And here you can choose Company Search or Profile Search. I have selected Company Search because this is what I'll be using first. Type in a location. I've chosen United States. And then choose the company size using the pull-down menu. And then type in the industry. I've chosen Information Technology and Services. Now for the first time, before you begin any search, you need to locate the company's .txt file. Click on this button right here and navigate to your data folder within the program. Click on the company's file and press open, and then press OK. And also, before you begin, we need to click on the settings button at the top here, and then click on the LinkedIn tab and enter your LinkedIn username or email address and password. I'm going to do that right now. Then when you've done that, press on OK. And then just press on the Start button. And now we're just going to wait. For the sake of time, I've skipped forward the scan. And as you can see here, the scrape has completed the scan. Press on OK. And these are the results it's found. And you can use the scroll bar at the bottom and to move along like this. So we've got our results. As you see, we have the company page. This is the LinkedIn URL of that page. We've got the company ID, the company name, the logo, that's the URL to that logo. We have the hero image, as you can see there, the description, and the specialties, the website, industry, company type, the street address, locality, region, postal code, country name, company size, founded year, and the scrape date. So all that information is there, and that's ready to be exported. Now to export, notice we have these tick boxes here. You can select the different ones individually just by ticking on the ones you want, as you can see, or you can select the whole lot just by pressing Ctrl and A on your keyboard, and that highlights the lot. And then you can just press on the toggle check button at the top, and it selects the entire list there, as you can see. So now let's go ahead and export that information. Click on the Export Selected button at the top. Now this brings up a box, and here we need to select a location. I'll select desktop and then type in a name for the file. I'll just put in data. Where it says save as type, use the pull down menu and you can select from a CSV file or an Excel file. I'll use the CSV file and press save. Export's been completed, press OK. And then if I bring the file into view here, we have the data file that I just created. Press on that and we'll have a look. And the CSV file opens up in Excel, as you can see. Here's the data collected. And you can see it's nicely displayed in columns here, and it's ready to be used however you wish. So that's how you export that information. Okay, so let's have a look at the other option, which was profile search. Click on the Edit Search List button at the top, and then select the profile search using the tick box here, and you can untick the company search. So we've got profile search selected. Type in a location. I've chose Netherlands. And where it says current company, we've already selected the company's text file, so you won't have to do that. But if you haven't done already, just press on this button here and navigate to that data folder and select it from there. Enter the keywords. I've got director. And now if I also show you that data folder, if I go into there, we have that text file right here. And within that text file is where you can enter a list of company names here. As you can see, I have some already in the list. So you just enter them there, press save. and then we're ready to begin the search. So just press on OK, and then we'll click on the Profile Search Results tab right at the top here, and then press on Start. So that's now going to have a look for those profiles. So we're just going to wait for that to happen. Okay, when you want to stop the process of searching, you can always press the stop button at the top at any time. I'm going to do that for the sake of time. And then press on OK. So again, like before, here we have the results, and you can use that scroll bar to navigate through those results there. So here we have the profile URL, and we have the profile name, first name and last name, and we'll move across here, and we have the headline, the profile picture URL link, location, the city, and the country name, and we've got industry, that person's current position, and we've got the subtitle for that current position. We have the URL of that current position, and we've also got the company ID and the scrape date. So all that information has been gathered and is ready to be exported. And if you remember, you do the same thing. You can select them either individually or the entire lot by pressing Ctrl and A, and then press the Export Selected button at the top. Okay, and lastly, I'll just show you the settings button because there's some options in there I want to go through. We have the max threads. You can use this to speed up the process of searching. We have the random request delay. This is used to stop IP bans. I've got it set to 3. It's not recommended to put it at 0, really. We have the random retry on fail delay in seconds. So if it fails, you can retry in 3 seconds or more if you choose. We have the duplicate checks there. That's selected if you don't want duplicates. We have the location strict mode if you want to strictly go by that location. We have match keywords only in current position, and that's currently selected. We have the matching of the industry there as well. And you can also use this button right here to reset the database. And when you press on that, press yes and OK. And OK again, you can see it's reset the database, because if you don't do that, when you close the program and open it again, it'll actually save the data, so you can carry on your searching. So the program does save that data for you, which can be quite handy if you need to do that. Okay, so that was a look at the LinkedIn company and profile extractor by scrapingsolutions.com.au. Don't forget, you can have this program customizable to your needs. All you have to do is get in contact with us. And the same goes for any of our other scrapers on the website. You can follow us anytime on our YouTube channel. The link is on the screen now. Thanks for watching.